tick tock, that's the sound of my clock. Tick tock, tick tock, don't stop. You have chained me for all eternity. I can't wait until I hold you in my arms again, lock you in my heart, throw away the key, and then feed the fire burning and consuming me. Blood is racing through my veins, set me free. I'm such a fool to think that I can live without you. You drive me crazy.